Hello everyone, welcome to week 2 of the course. So in this week, our focus is going to be on building better classical machine learning projects. So to start off, we are going to revisit a few lectures to bring us up to speed with the process of building these end-to-end machine learning projects. But later on, we are going to take a data set and discuss how exactly we are going to solve this problem. So to build better projects, what we have to do more is ask questions at every point in the project. So it could be, how do I deal with missing values? How do I deal with outliers? Should I be scaling my data set? What encoding method to use? And maybe why is the model not performing well on the evaluation metric? And asking these questions, understanding thoroughly how these methods work, and even interpreting these results and later documenting them. All these things, they not just make our projects better, but also helps improve our machine learning skills. So with that, I would say now is a good time to go and revisit some fundamental ideas from MLT and NLP. And after you go through the content of this week, I hope you can use the process that you've learned, build more and more projects. Thank you.